You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Investors on Thursday focused on inflation data from Germany and fiscal uncertainty in France. These issues raise concerns about the stability of the eurozone's two largest economies, and the threat of U.S. tariffs is heightening tensions in the region. The French stock market continues to show weakness. The crisis related to the budget discussion may endanger the ruling coalition. At the same time, French government bonds sharply lost value, which led to an increase in the cost of borrowing to record levels since the 2012 debt crisis. In Germany, the key event of the day will be the publication of preliminary inflation data for November. The inflation rate is expected to remain high at 2.6%, which corresponds to the previous month. However, the overall economic situation remains unfavorable. According to surveys, consumer sentiment in the country continues to deteriorate amid concerns about massive job cuts. Additional pressure is created by the government's forecast of a 0.2% contraction in the economy in 2024. This will be the second year in a row that Germany's economy has been in recession, highlighting its weakness compared to other major eurozone countries. Today, markets will be watching the publication of data on consumer confidence in the eurozone for November and preliminary data on inflation in Germany. Also, investors' attention remains focused on developments around the French budget and Germany's preparations for early elections. Otherwise, the calendar of events is empty and the end of the week is likely to be not expressive for the markets due to the weekend in the United States. And now to the news of the crypto market. Bitcoin valuation metrics suggest that the growing trend is not over yet. The absence of signs of asset overvaluation, characteristic of price peaks, forces analysts to consider the likelihood of continued growth. In particular, at the moment, new investors own slightly more than 50% of the total investment in cryptocurrency. For comparison, at previous market highs reached in 2017 and 2021, this share was more than 90% and 80%, respectively. Technically, the Bitcoin price growth was resumed from the $92,000 mark. However, it is too early to judge whether the market will be able to update the maximum or a deeper correction awaits us. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.